okay? And what they ask you to do is plot those on a number line, okay? So you've got a couple of things that you have to do here, right? A number line is about comparing different numbers together and making the order of those numbers clear, okay? So if we want to compare them, we need to have all of them in the same terms. Now, 3 of them look pretty good, but one of them's out of place. Which one? 1 and a third. What is it? It's we have language to describe this. It's a mixed numeral, and the rest are improper, aren't they? Okay. So the first thing we should do is write 4/3 instead of. Oh, sorry, that's right. So you've got proper. What's this? It's a whole number, isn't it? Because 1. It's an integer, and this is improper. Okay. But they've all got over 3. The mixed numeral is the only tricky one. Now that we've got that, we've got 2, 3, 4, 7. So now you can get your spacing, right? Now it's vitally important that just like on an integer number line, right? Things are spaced out equally. Okay, so you by now have drawn your number line in there. Okay. Now, tell me, which one's the most important number on a number line?
0.
0, fantastic. Now before I draw it in, when we're doing integers, we would routinely put the 0 in the middle. And that made sense because sometimes we'd have negative numbers and sometimes we would have positive numbers. So 0 in the middle. But have a look at the numbers that we've been asked to plot. They are all positive. Okay, so putting 0 in the middle, maybe not the best idea. I'm going to put it over here. Okay?
Is that just random?
Yeah, just so that I have enough space over here and I can put the rest of my fractions. Right? Now they're all over 3. Okay? So when I think about the spacing, all I need to worry about is these numerators, the top numbers, okay? So make sure you've got enough space from here to here to have 7 little dots, or 8, depending on how you count. And make sure they're equidistant, right? So I've got 1, 2, 3. Okay, there we go, right? Now you can count in your head, you know that you don't have to put every number in, but you may like to just to make sure that you don't miss any numbers by accident, okay? So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Now that's just a normal, whole number line. But to make it a fraction number line, I just divide everything by 3 because my denominators here are all thirds, aren't they? Okay? So I guess that'd be 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, that'd be 1, wouldn't it? Yep. 4/3, 5/3. There's 2, and whoops, sorry, there we go, there I am. So if you like, it's just like a normal number line, but you're zoomed in, okay? Before, it's like, oh look, there's 0, 1, 2, 3, but now, where's 1? It's there. You've got a much closer view, okay? Now we've done all the hard work, you just have to stick in the relevant fractions, right? So where's 2/3? There it is, 3/3, 4/3, and 7/3, like a bit of a loner over there, poor guy. All right. So let me just make sure that I got this straight. Construct your number line, but think about what numbers you're actually going to put on there. Okay, think about those. Then draw it just like a normal number line. Everything's spaced out. You've got your 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Then add on a denominator, whatever is appropriate to your question. Does that make sense? Okay.